There are many reasons for oily skin, including stress, humidity, genetics, and fluctuating hormones. Washing twice a day with warm water and a gentle cleanser will remove excess oil and dirt from your face. Be sure not to scrub or rub your skin too hard, as this can irritate it and make it produce even more oil. Do not use any products that have alcohol, which can dry out the skin and make it produce more oil. Today in this video, I will share DIY for oily skin. So let's start my video without any delay. Must you watch full video, like, subscribe and share this video. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey is ideal for hydrating oily skin because it is a natural humectant. 1 tablespoon aloe vera, it helps treat flaky skin caused by oily patches. And 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Mix these ingredients until to get smooth paste. Then slather it all over the skin. Leave the mixture on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water.